Hi, I'm Pete. My Lumin screen has just arrived, and frankly I'm quite excited to see it because I know that there are no tricky passwords, there's no difficult downloads, it has been personalised and set up for me before it arrives. So let's look inside the box. There's some welcome documentation, certainly a good read. We'll set it aside for a couple of moments and keep unpacking. Off with the phone. Now that I've opened the package, I see that the Lumin screen is facing downwards, but I can now see a two-part power cord. This part is for connection to the screen, and there is a symbol at the back of the screen to plug in, which I've now done. We now take the other connection, ready for pushing in firmly, and this will now be connected to your supply. Now that I've taken the screen out of the package, let's turn it on. Back right hand corner of the screen, press and hold for about 3 seconds. Now that the power is connected, our next step is to connect to the Wi-Fi in your home. Let me remind you that you will need your Wi-Fi name and your password. Now let's proceed. Let's go back to the button that you pressed to turn the power on before. Same button, press it again. Settings, internet connection, slide the toggle, Wi-Fi. Now we type in the password. Press connect. It's telling me it's connected. Home. Now we're connected.